do if your father asks you not to speak to your brother outside the house? He can only see him inside the house, inside your house.
Again, this is a question. Doctor didn't understand that question.
Yeah, it's a bit. What do you do if your father asks you not to speak to your brother outside? Yani, you can only see him in your house.
So I presume the brother of his does not live with him. I don't understand that, Yani. That's what I presume. So if your father commands you not to speak to your brother, okay, well, you don't speak to him in front of the father. Unless the brother is no good, then you shouldn't be speaking to him at all. If it's no good, very bad, then boycotting of the father is boycotting of the whole family. He commands you as well. But if he's good, then in front of the father, you don't really do it. But behind his back, you try to make the best for the sake of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to make your brother in contact with you, inshallah. Now, because sometimes it will be dhulm from the father. Dhulm means oppression. He's not fair. And he's making boycotting to your brother, which it is not a proper, justified boycotting. Now,